We just got here and I just looked down on the water and I literally just saw a squid. Yep, got him. Literally, we haven't even been here for 30 seconds.
Looks like it.
The Dairy Milk Warrior. Whoa! A huge squid on that. Oh my. I just saw it take it. That's a good squid. Alright, so we just got here and I just looked down on the water and I literally just saw a squid just on the surface. So we're going to get the jig on. Caught me by surprise. Alright, let's get this rod set up. It's not even set up yet. This has never happened before. It's crazy. Let's get the blue tiger on. It's like right down there. Just drop it down. It's disappeared now. It's literally just chilling on there. Chilling on the surface. There it is. It's coming for it. Oh, dropped him. Oh, have I got it? Yep, got him. Literally, we haven't even been here for 30 seconds. And that's the first squid. And is that a follower? No. See, that's not a bad start at all.
Yeah, what's that next one?
I think that's it inked. It's going nuts. That's crazy, man. That's literally first cast.
That's beautiful. Look at that.
And sight casted him as well. We'll chuck him down there on the blue tiger. Back in stock, boys, so get on him. There you go, first squid of the day. Not huge, but it's a good start. What I was trying to do before is chuck this float on. So now we'll put that on and chuck a Tommy rough on the end of this and see if we can attract any squid. So let's put it through the mouth and then clip it back. Tommy is on. Let's cast it out. We'll see what that can do today. Oh, and my brother's just hooked a snook. It is firing at the moment.
Yeah, can you hold my rod for a sec? Yeah, that's the one that I just...
There we go. Good snook. We've literally just got in. We haven't even got time to do anything. So he's got another one. Another snook. It's another legal fish, looks like. There you go.
Looks like it.
The Dairy Milk Warrior.
Have a look down there. There's about 5 or 6 of them. Hey. We just couldn't
John, the snook specialist here.
They're following them in and they're spitting the hooks.
Snook everywhere at the moment. So like usual, go over to swap to a metal and there's definitely a squid on the end of that float. That rod's bending, dude. Let's get him in. So we'll drop that jig down. Get it in the water. Yep, definitely a squid on the end of this. We'll get him in nice and slow. So what they'll do, as I've said many times before, they'll just grab onto the jig and let go all the time. So if they do let go of it, then don't stress, they'll hop straight back on, just like he's done there. And just take it nice and easy, there's no need to rush. They're not going to get spooked because there's no spikes on this teaser, so that's the beauty of using this. It's actually not a bad one. Okay, he'll grab onto it.
You got it?
Yeah.
He's got to go.
Just got to play the waiting game with this fella. Take it out.
It's actually retarded.
Not yet, not yet. Maybe he wants it deeper.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Got you. That was so much harder than it should have been.
Well, one squid.
Yeah. That's right, we'll take him. Not a bad little squid. Oh no, he dropped. Once I get hooked like that, I reckon that's usually it.
Nice road.
Yeah. Alright, second valley. Moved on to a different spot. Try and get on to some more squid. Just started raining so much. Still is, but a bit less calmer now. See if we can get one. Guys, literally the third cast in and the line just went tight straight away, and there's a nice little squid on the end of here. Perfect. On the board early. Give it a cast out there. Might be some out there. Now there's no real safe way of landing it. We'll lift him. If he drops, he gets to live another day. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. He was just hooked as well. Yeah. Another small little squid. That's our third and second one we've landed. Are you on?
Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, hey, John's on his squid. Wow, out. That's a good one too.
That's heavy fun.
Quick, get him over. Whoa! Beautiful squid. Well done.
Look at that.
Mate, biggest one of the day.
Out of nowhere as well.
Yeah. That's 2 squid and about 10 casts between us. Lovely. Yeah, that'd do. Squid following his jig right after the next cast. He's got a little spooked. Be down there somewhere.
See him there?
Oh, yeah, I can see him down there. I stood on his head, see if he wants it. Oh, hang on, he's coming back for yours. See if he comes back. Oh, hang on. Is that him on it now? Mine?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. Got him. Bring him to the surface. He's just a little one.
No, we're on.
Mate, the squid are on at the moment. Not a single person here besides us two. Let's get him up.
Go. Beauty, another one.
Whew. We're on. This is how quickly a session can change, eh? Put him out his misery. There we go. Alright, so the technique I'm using is pretty much letting it sink to the bottom and then giving it a couple hops off the bottom and then letting it sink back down. And you pretty much just repeat that until the jig comes back to you. And so far it's worked. Picked up 2 squid. A huge squid on that. Oh my. I just saw it take it. Oh my. He just came out of nowhere.
I'm getting it wrong.
That's a good squid. Oh, there's some weight to that. Ooh. Let's get him up. Was that a cuddle? No, it's a squid. He's a very good squid. He just came straight from the bottom and just ambushed it. Damn, I don't want to lose this one. He'd be about 30 centimetre hood, I reckon. We're going to stare this guy. Don't want to lose him. That diver is just, I don't know what he's doing, man. Alright, let's grab him. There we go. That's an awesome squid. Whew, we thought we were going to lose him there. It's a beautiful squid. That's pretty much the exact same size.
That's beautiful.
That's a beautiful squid. And we'll chop him. He's gone. While the squid are hot, I'm going to get a teaser out there. I saw some splashing out there. So, we'll see if there's any gar. Something on. Very small. Oh, it's that little leather jacket. These are everywhere at the moment. This guy can swim off.
Indeed.
So that's what's stealing the bait out there. Squid on the teaser. Went straight for it. And that's the beauty of having a teaser. If you lose the squid, normally I'll find the teaser instead. So then you're going to have that jig in the water. Once that teaser comes out, it'll go for the jig.
Going for the fish, but we're going to put one of these next to him so we can pick it up.
Okay, teaser out, and then he'll go for that jig instead. Now he's coming.
Now
He's being super timid. He's going to something. He's going to be a real hard one. Dude, why is he being so hard? Come on. Oh! Gotcha, you little amazing squid. Wow, that's the hardest I've ever had. Well, we've had to work for a squid ever. Gonna have to walk in. There we go. We got him in the end. Let's go. Send her up. He didn't want to play the game at the start, but in the end, that's a beautiful sized calamari. We'll put him out of his misery. See you, mate. You did well.
Yeah. Respect the hustle.
And John's pulled up another one. Another good squid.
Good size, beautiful.
Mate, unreal. We'll get the teaser back out.
There's one on right down there.
Shit, he's on. Can you hold this? Oh no, I've tangled myself. Oh my god.
Oh, you've done yourself a mischief.
I've hooked him.
You still want him on that?
Yeah. Oh no, this is ugly.
Trying to escape. Oh, he's on here.
We're a bit stuck at the moment. We're gonna have to do a double hooker. You got it?
There we go.
Alright, this is gonna be a 3-man job. Oh, the teaser's off. Alright.
I've got him. Wait.
Hang on. We both?
No, you switched jigs.
No, now you got him.
I'll pull it up by the line. You got it?
Another one, so he's
It actually swapped jigs. It ended up with him. Yeah, I don't know. Half each.
No, he can have him.
There we go. Josh just hooked a really nice squid. That's right, walk it. I'll grab it. Oh shit. Oh, he got me in the ear. There we go. Shit happens. But we got the squid. Gave me the fattest wet willy I've ever had. Oh, in the ear. Oh. It was just water though, no ink.
Oh, look at the colour of it.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. And then
Yeah, that's like all their organs shut down. So when you chop them in the middle, it pretty much just puts them to sleep straight away. So, sort of humane way to do it. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's handy to know. Yeah, just lift him up. There we go, they're coming through. That quick tide change. Doing the trick. End of the session, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squid and 2 snook. Beautiful. Not bad. Started slow, and then it picked up. Blue tiger doing the damage again. Go to the online shop, go get yourself one.